About 541 million years ago, life leveled up. With rising oxygen, genetic innovation, and environmental pressure, evolution accelerated. Suddenly, nature rolled out the blueprints of biology. Eyes, skeletons, nervous systems, segmented bodies. These were more than features, they were tools, and they would power every major life form to come. Roughly 520 million years ago, the ocean gave birth to something new. Fish with backbones. The vertebral column protected nerves. Segmented muscles powered efficient motion, and heads began to form, concentrating the senses. Vertebrates were here, and they ruled the seas. Around 375 million years ago, some fish dared to leave the water. They had lungs, not just gills. Lobed fins strong enough to drag across muddy banks. Creatures like Tiktaalik paved the way. Soon came the first amphibians, breathing air, walking on land, but still tied to water to lay eggs. Life had touched land. By 312 million years ago, evolution made a breakthrough. The amniotic egg. Now embryos had their own water supply, food source, and protection, all inside a sealed, self-contained pod. For the first time, reproduction didn't need water, and life spread freely across dry land. Then came the Mesozoic era, about 250 million years ago. Reptiles, especially dinosaurs, towered across continents for over 180 million years. But in the shadows, small mammals adapted. Warm-blooded, furry, and quiet, they evolved traits that would someday change everything. 66 million years ago, boom, an asteroid struck Earth and triggered global catastrophe. Dinosaurs disappeared. But the mammals survived. Small, warm-blooded, adaptable. This wasn't extinction. It was opportunity. With dinosaurs gone, mammals flourished. They spread, diversified, and filled every open niche. From ocean whales to grassland grazers to the first primates in the trees, evolution was back at full speed. In the forests, life demanded a new kind of intelligence. Primates emerged with grasping hands, depth-perceiving eyes, and brains that could navigate a 3D world. Small, smart, and social, these tree dwellers were shaped by evolution's newest force, problem-solving. Around 40 million years ago, the primate tree split. Monkeys stayed in the canopy, tails and all. But apes, they lost the tail and gained social depth, tool use, emotional expression, and extended childhoods that expanded learning. Apes were evolution's cognitive experiment. Roughly 7 million years ago, Africa's forests thinned into savannas. Some apes came down from the trees. They walked upright. Bipedalism had arrived. Free hands meant tools, fire, and the beginning of language. These were the first hominins, possibly Sahelanthropus or Auroran. Their brains were still small, but their posture told a different story. The story of us had begun. From ocean creatures to walking apes, from backbones to brains, from fish lungs to the first fire-starting hands. This journey wasn't guided by myth. It was written in DNA, shaped by physics and tested by time. And it all led to us.